Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Coinbase account security settings, complete guide step by step clearly. Log into your Coinbase account using your registered email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the homepage. Click on your profile icon or the settings option. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the settings, review the current security settings displayed on the screen. To enable two-factor authentication, find the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Click on the option to start the setup process. Choose your preferred method for two-step verification, such as an authentication app or text message. Follow the prompts to link your phone number or authentication app. Once configured, you'll receive a verification code to confirm the setup. Enter the verification code when prompted to complete the process. Next, consider enabling login alerts for added security. Toggle the setting to receive alerts via email or SMS whenever your account is accessed. For additional security, scroll down to find Withdrawal Address Whitelist. Enable this feature to ensure that funds can only be withdrawn to approved addresses. Add your primary withdrawal address to the whitelist for further protection. Review the option for Advanced Security to explore more features like device management or login activity. Monitor your login activity regularly to identify any unauthorized attempts. Consider updating your password if it's been a while since your last change. Use a strong and unique password, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After updating your password, enable a password manager for secure storage. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, remember to keep your recovery codes safe. Finally, regularly review your security settings every few months to ensure everything is up to date. Once you have completed all these steps, your Coinbase account security will be significantly enhanced. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.